Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the wiper blades, you can lift it up off the windshield. Go up here. This particular style, there's a little pin, there's a little tab here. Push it down to unlock it. And you can pull the whole wiper blade off. If you want to remove the clip where it's clipped to the J-hook of the wiper blade, there's the tab here. Lift it out to unlock it, then push it out of the J-hook, and you can slide this out. To install it, slide it through the opening, and then we'll clip it into place. It locks. Push the insert. There's little tabs at the bottom. Push into place, and then clips down in. Lower it back down. The passenger side is the exact same style and design.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.